Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. Today we start wrenching on the Supra. Today I have no idea how far we're gonna get, but the plan is to make an episode where I take a giant chunk of the parts out. So you're gonna see a lot of time lapse, and it's gonna go throughout many days because I have an hour here, an hour there, 2 hours one day that I can put in time in the car. So you guys are not gonna see the entire thing throughout. So you're gonna see different changes, a lot of time lapse, but I will step in a couple, once in a while to give you the progress. So first off, we are going to remove the turbos. We're gonna get to the turbos, but before we take the turbos off, I want to get to a spot where I can actually, see if the turbos are the corporate. We are almost certain that they are bad, and we have already budget for the turbo swap, so it's probably happening. So you're gonna see me just tearing apart. I've been told that the job to take the manifold and the twins off takes about 6 to 8 hours. So you're gonna see that. Let's see how far we can get. I'm gonna take too much of your time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get to it. All right, so let's see what we got so far. Not much for the time that has passed. We have the cold air intake out, some piping that goes to the intercooler, and right now we started disconnecting some of the hoses that goes to the back and forth from the radiator, some cooling hoses. And yeah, this is gonna take a while. So if in case you're wondering, this is a bin. They're like 80 bucks in Amazon. Pretty decent reviews, especially for this. I don't think it will be the best one if you do this professionally, but a bill here and there, I think it will last. So we're gonna continue for a bit more. I want to see if I can get at least the pan and all these hoses out of the way, and let's see if we can go and do this. Let's do it. Put you right there. Let's see what we got there. I don't know if you guys can see it. There is a little play but it's not much. That's a little bit. I don't feel anything smooth. It's not super smooth, but for being 20 some years, it's not bad. I am assuming that it is the rear turbo that is the one causing the issue. So I'm gonna go play with it a little bit more. All right, everybody, it is getting late and we've worked for like 40 minutes. It might not look like 40 minutes of work, but it's been a pain right now. Those bolts right there, I got the first one loose. This one, there's nuts. This one not so much. I need to get some brake free to spray it. I thought I was gonna be able to put my big breaker bar on it, but I don't think that's gonna work. I cannot put a socket on it, so it's gonna be interesting. We'll get that one out next time, but so far we're looking good. Turbos need to come out, clean her up, and since it's the turbo on the rear, the one that I am concerned with, it's going to be single turbo. There's no other way around it. I'm not taking all that off to then reinstall it. Sorry. Sorry, Supra, you're getting a single turbo conversion. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. This is the first episode of my build on my MK3 Supra. We are going to be tearing this baby apart. Then we're gonna make a single turbo. We might change the rack and pinion. I have a little leak on the bottom there. Might be the rack, might be just a hose or a fitting or whatever. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, check out my other content. Catch with you guys in the next one.